Caught a shark, yo.
Snook Island.
There's sharks in like these rivers, dude.
Of course.
That's just crazy.
Yeah, bro. Those are kama hot sharks. Kama.
There's like so many boats that go past them and stuff. They just still live there.
Oh, that was the dude that got his net stuck last time. I held his rope.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, let's go.
Today's so windy here.
Yeah, it seems like everybody just.
The small pier is unfishable. The waves are all over it.
Alright, let's go check the waves again.
Nah, go.
We went all the way to the end over there to go catch some bait, but there's no bait
there's
over
no
there.
bait, guys.
Whoa, Jason caught a puffer fish. You've been catching puffers today all day?
Yeah, all day.
Let me see your fish. Wow. Nice.
The boys in our life.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Where's this boy at?
Hop in the car!
Hey, who are you? Why are you here? Who are you?
You're gonna cry.
Go. Remember to walk at the crosswalk. Okay?
In the car.
Walk at the crosswalk.
Just use it. The nose is there. Nose is there.
There you go. Eat it.
Eat it.
Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it.
Oh, I got it.
You were barely on it, dude.
You're barely on it.
Go back.
Yes, sir. Let him eat the whole thing. Let him eat the whole thing.
Eat the whole thing. Eat the head, dude. Come on, man.
It's in. It's in. It's in.
Oh, I caught a shark, dude.
Come on, man.
Oh, no.
No. Guys, you let go.
Wait. It's gonna come back.
Yeah, it's gonna come back.
It wants it, all right.
Yeah.
It's somewhere. I think it's right here.
It's gonna come back. What's up, camera?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's right there.
Yeah. It's coming back, guys. It came back. It came back.
Right there.
It's back. It's back. It's back for more.
There you go.
Oh. Guys. Quiet. Don't say anything. It's in.
Got it, you got it.
I caught a shark, dude.
Right there.
Oh, let go again, dude.
I think you need a bigger hook.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Caught a shark. Bring the pliers. Bring the pliers. It's not bigger than me.
Alright, I need a fire.
It's bigger than me.
Got it. I got
Then
it.
it's Fires. For the skin, it looks so nice. The mouth looks like a catfish.
Come over here. There you go. Stay right there. Yeah, come on, first shot, guys.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Goal accomplished. He's trying to slap you with his tail.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's stuck there.
You're gonna hold it?
Yeah, dude.
You're gonna take a
You know how to
picture?
hold it?
Oh! Look at that, guys.
That's breathing.
Like, record me too.
I wanna say. See? Sir!
Okay, let's throw it back.
So, guys, so right now it's about 4 o'clock. Sun is super hot right now. But we are fishing for snook. I caught a shark earlier. We caught a whole bunch of different species. But right now we're trying to get some snook. So we're fishing on the bottom. We're using finger bullets. We're just letting the current drag our mullet and try to see if we catch a snook. That's about it. We're having pretty having fun with that. Bruh. We're having a lot of fun just pounding around, getting sunburned and stuff. Stuck on a rock. There is a lot of rocks here though. So we
That was fun.
That's a good throw, dude. Man, you're pretty good at throwing now.
Yep. I wasn't that good whenever I started.
But now you're really good, right?
Yep.
Nice.
And that's the as far as you can.
It's okay. So this girl just tied her fishing pole, but she just broke it again. So she has to retie her hook and sinker. You know what? Don't tie a sinker on. Just don't tie a sinker on. Just do a hook and just let the bullet free run. Yep. So these guys are not getting bites, and it looks like they're getting pretty bored. They're just trying to catch those little fishes in the rocks right there. So if you look at these rocks, you see all sorts of little fishes. There's snapper, there's sergeant majors, there's all sorts of little fishes. Here's our mullet bucket. If you guys want to keep them alive and don't have a bubbler, just throw them in the water like this. Make sure you have a rope. A bunch of sergeant majors right there. Look at that storm cloud, guys. Man, that storm cloud is moving in fast. It's too cold to rock. What's up, guys? So we're not getting any bites right now, so we might head down to the small pier. If there's not a lot of people, if there's a lot, then we're probably just gonna have to stick to this area, this spot. There's a lagoon where those guys are at over there, and then we're on the inlet right here. We're just sitting on the rocks right here, trying to catch for snakes on the bottom. There's a lot of snakes chasing bullets here, so we're trying to see if we can catch one of them. But we're just good luck, man, because we're not having any luck. It's been kind of slow today. But yeah, see ya. Maybe at the small pier.
We got a couple. One jumped out. Uh-oh. Yeah. He's gonna catch a lot more.
What's up, yo? So we moved over here to the dock. Since there's people go home and there's room on the dock now, so we are here fishing. Yay, let's go. So last resort, we're gonna try to catch some snappers and whatever. I'm still gonna try to catch a snook because I gotta put my snook permit to use. But this girl, she's gonna try to go for some huge jacobells or something. Anything big. She likes it big. But I'm going for a snook, and these kids are going for mangrove snappers. So yeah, let me show you guys around. So here is my rod. I am using a medium heavy. This is a, what's it, 7 foot? Yeah, this is a 7 foot medium heavy. I got 20 pound braid.
Mom, I'm gonna fish here too.
Try it. So I got 20 pound braid with a mullet on this one, and it's just free swimming. I'm trying to catch a snook. These guys are fishing on this open side of the inlet. And you didn't open the thing, yeah, the reel. And here's Gordy. Hold on. Oh, almost hit me again. Good. Let me see. Let's see or not.
Kind of like this. I think I did something wrong.
It's kind of tangled, but not kind of tangled, but I think it should work. Because we're just fishing for, yeah, snappers, so it should be fine. Hey, good girl.
Now, what is the word?
Yep, because.
What is the word?
I don't know. Okay, see ya.
Is it strong? Oh, it's a catfish. It's a big catfish.
What a beautiful sunset with a fish on. Who knows? Yeah, it's a catfish. You're so good at catching catfishes. Nah, it's cool.
It spit out the That's a big old fish.
Let me see your fish.
That's a Lego catfish.
Yeah, that's pretty big.